Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Let's start with the second question here. Idris charges $166.25 for another repair. He starts work on the repair at 2:30 p.m. Find the time when he completes the repair. So it does make it easier. Question on time that we have a timeline. The first end here is where it starts. The other end is where it ends. And for this question, this is actually what the question asking to find, which is the time when it completes the repair. The other information given is $166.25. We can't use that because the question asking time, so we need to convert $166.25 into its equivalent value of time in time. So what's given? $56 for the first hour. So that means what we can do is subtract that from the 166. Should get 110.75. Sorry, 25. Okay, so that means 1 hour, and then $12.25 for each additional 15 minutes. So I'm gonna write that down here. For 15 minutes, that means 110 is equivalent to how many minutes? Let me bring up here. So you can do your cross multiply or proportion. 15 minutes, use your calculator and you get 135 minutes. So plus 135 minutes, paper 2. So you can use your calculator. So that means in order to find the ending time from the starting time, you add 2 and then the time button, 30 time button, and then 1 hour, 1 time button, and then 0 time button, and then for 135 minutes, 0 time button and 135 time button. Okay, in that order, and then you press equal to and you should get 5:45. Next one, Idris invests 6,200 in an account paying compound interest. So you have 6,200, a rate of 1.7, so that's 6,200 is your principal amount. Rate is 1.7%. 4 years is the time, and the question is asking total amount. Nope, total amount of interest. So for compound interest, what formula? 2 formula. First we have A equals to P1 plus R to the power of T, and then you have I equals to A minus P. So since the question is asking of total amount of interest, we're going to do the first step and do the second step to complete the working here. So let's do the first step here. Amount is equals to 6,200, 1 plus 1.7 over 100. Convert the percentage into fraction, and then to the power of 4. You can straight away use your calculator on this one. Put everything in, and should get 6,062.47316. This is not the final answer, so shouldn't be rounding it off yet, because we have the second step, finding interest. So 6,632, 47316 minus 6,200, the principal, and your final answer. Then you can round it off to 3 significant figure. Okay. Oh, it's money, so we need to give a proper two decimal place for the cents. Okay. But any other amount, please give it to 3 significant figures. Now, where's the common mistake that is made? The common mistake is here. Most of you may that thinking that the question is asking for the total amount, so that's confusion here. So it's not actually the total amount, it's the total amount of interest. So most of you able to correctly use the correct formula, but fail to find the interest. So be careful with that one. So you do need to read the question carefully. So next question is here. Find the size of one interior angle of a regular side of 15-sided polygon. Polygon, again, one of those topic that has formula, and you only need 2 for this one in any question of polygon. We have exterior angle is equal to 360 over n, where n is the number of sides. Interior angle plus exterior angle is equals to 180. Now you may see in formula book there are other formulas. You may use that one, but this 2 is also enough. Okay, you just need to know which one to use. So the question he's asking to find one interior angle. So that means that. But in order for you to find this, you need to find exterior angle here. And we use the exterior angle by using the first one. So that means our first thing to do would be exterior angles equal to 360 divided by n. N is the 15 sides. Okay, use a calculator on that one, and you should get exterior angles is equals to 24 degrees. So interior angle plus the exterior angle, which I have found out, equals to 24, equals to 180. So that means interior angles is equals to minus 24 both sides, and you get the correct answer 156. Again, you may use the formula that is in the formula book, but this 2 is enough. It works for any question on polygons. So the diagram shows part of a regular 15-sided polygon. Find the value of x. And if we see here, 15-sided polygon, also 15-sided polygon. Now, it can be related. What can we use? We know that the interior angle is 156. That means 156. Regular means it has all interior angles equal, all exterior angles are equal as well. Let me label it outside. So for this question, x is only part of the interior angle, so we do need to find here. Also, because it's regular, not only the interior angles are equal, but all the sides are equal in length. That means that makes this triangle an isosceles triangle. So the value of the best angle here would be 180 minus 56, and you divide it by 2. Then use your calculator for that one, and you will calculate the angle equals to 12 That means x here would be the interior angle, value of interior angle 156, minus the base angle of the isosceles triangle, and you should get your answer 144. Okay, so here you might not use the polygon formula, you're using the isosceles triangle, but the biggest clue here is the word regular. From the word regular, you should be able to use it that it meant as all the interior angles are equal and all of the sides are equal, and because of that you are able to identify that one of the triangle is an isosceles triangle because of the two equal sides. Okay, so that is very crucial, the word regular. Next one on angle as well, A, B, C, and D are points on the circle center O. AB is diameter of the circle. Angle BAC is equals to 24. It's given here. Find angle ADC. Again, first step is labeling where the angle that you need to find. So it is the angle that is made by the line AD and DC. AD and DC. It's that one. Give a reason for each step of your working. So ADC belongs in the triangle ADC, but it also belongs in the triangle, in the quadrilateral ABCD. So we can use this fact. Now, when it says AB is a diameter, one of the things that you can get is the opposite angle on the circumference that is opposite the diameter, that is a 90 degrees. So I am going to use that one. I'm going to write my answers here so that I can refer to the diagram much more easier. Because it's giving a reason for each step of the working. So ACB is equals to 90 degrees. Why? Angle on semicircle. Because diameter cuts the circle into half. And because of that, angle ABC is equals to 180 minus 90 minus 24. And you should get 66. This is because sum angle, sum of interior angle in a triangle equals to 180. Now for this one, we do need to put it in full because the question is asking for reason. So we can't do any short form here. Okay? And then with that, I can find the value of angle ADC, which is 180 minus 66, which is equals to 114. The reason is because ADC and ABC are opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. Opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Remember, supplementary means the sum of the angles is equals to 180. So that means angle ADC is equals to 114. Okay? And that's the end of part 1.